Hello guys. Hello guys. This is Social Trades once more. So I want to show you something. It's 7 here. 7 o'clock. There we go. What just happened here? It's 7. We just opened because this is the new week open gap high, new week open gap low here, right? This is the new week open gap high. Thank you, ICT. 23. I'm just gonna write 23. Ma. You can say, yeah, 22 more and do that. The high of it. Let's just do this and press inside. It's inside. But a text, top. Middle. There we go. So here, this exploded action here to the upside. This is your first presented fair value gap here, right? If you zoom in, yes, this is a first presented fair value gap here in the form of a breakaway gap, right? In the form of a breakaway gap because of, as you can see, it was like sort of consolidation in here. So this is breaking away from this consolidation here. So let's do that. Let me close this so that it becomes a nice bigger screen. So basically, yeah, what could have been your stance here? You could have been entering probably longs in here. We are buying this one, probably anticipating that this one will never get reached to. Understand? You're buying in here, anticipating that as long as this one is kept like this half here in green, it's half of this week. As long as it's kept like this, it's never even reached to, we are still bullish, right? So if it's coming down like this, we are watching for let me do this. Let me do this. Because I wanna remove all of the others. So we'll be clear on what you're watching. I think there's another one below there. Okay, there you go. Okay, you see? So you're watching half of this week, an inability to reach. Look at the bodies. Now let's fix this. There we go. The bodies are staying right on top of it there. This one does get out, but look at that one. The one that goes, stays right, opens there. That's beautiful. And the next one goes outside, closes there. Clearly bullish. So could go like a long, nice long stop right below here. Then if they take this low here, wait and see how it treats this part here. Right? Because we are thinking this could act like a breakaway. And then we could like keep going higher. Straight into this FOMC buy side here. And then you can see these there as a draw too. So you're not really bullish, but we know that the market won't go down in a straight line. And that's very true. That's very true. So currently initial sell side there. I'll put your initial buy side now. Up there in black. Blacky. So this is your initial buy side here. So we're thinking what's gonna happen here? Can go higher using all of these levels in here. So taking out FOMC buy side in there. Let's see that. Let's see. And if we close there and we pull that side, you'll see that we have some nice liquidity resting. Come on. So now we are on a nice 3-minute time frame. This from the 1 minute, this one. So here on the 3 minute, we still have the same thing as a breakaway. So this fair value gap here is being bought. This one here. Because we've displaced, we are buying this one right here. Because we are seeing this is a consolidation and then we've broken away from it. Right. So that would be a trade, right? And be a trade. Buying in here, stop loss there. Now you're there. Let's see. Mm. Okay, let's do this. Put some skin on. Get in there. But in any case, I already said, I did say. So upside. And that's beautiful reaction here. Like to see it continue higher. This is the 1 minute time frame. Wish I could show you the hourly. The hourly. This is the hourly time frame here. If I go down, remove everything, then you're gonna see what's happening easier. There you go. Buy side was taken there in one shot. So what's more probable? Upside. Something in here seems nice, right? In here seems nice. Let's go higher. And also we know here it was a event-driven move here, PPI, from somewhere there, 8 o'clock here. So that's maybe this high altogether. Well, let me not talk about that. But if they take that, I'd not be surprised. But if they take this, they might have to. But we don't want to think about that too. So for now, let's stick to the small idea that it can still go higher, right? Because when you look at the 4 hour, what's the 4 hour? 4 hour. You see this fair value gap here. Only wicks exist here. So we need this candlestick to go up and put this is a selling candle here. So we need a buying candle to the upside in this area here. So that would be offering sell side, this one. This one must offer buy side. That's what we're looking for. This was fair value gap. It went lower, taking this one. Then now it was used again in here as an inversion. It did go down, taking more sell side. Now we are coming into this fair value gap inversion, turned into inversion. Now is a draw for this candle to go higher to offer buy side because she has sell side. Let's go. Logic, you had the logic. You had the logic. You had the logic, Joe. So, is this buy surprising you? No, why not? We are bullish. You're bullish. You're bullish. Okay, let's bring people back. Okay, I think now it's logged in. But I won't rush into that. I told you that you would be looking to buy in there. As long as this is intact, that's beautiful. Because it don't even come in there. And that's what you're looking for. So what if it comes in here? If it comes in here, I don't want to see any bodies in here. I'd like to see at least wake in there, but not even stay and go there. Because the breakaway gap. The breakaway gap. It's a Monday, guys. The Monday, guys. Okay. In that immediate rebalance, we waiting. Hmm. Okay, okay. Mm, 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 mm. So now for your long, if you're not long already, just gonna look at this in there and do what? Make it a little bit pink reddish. Is there reddish? There in there. Does your buy in here? Okay. Seems like it closed outside of it already here. And used its up. It's a high, it's upper quadrant, then just not higher in an immediate rebalance move. Okay, let's see. Mhm. So buy side is resting here, initial buy side there, and this side making relative equal highs, like a draw. Something delicious. Something delicious. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, go into five. 25 minutes. Okay, go back to the 1 minute. So watching this, how is gonna behave now? Watching that. So it's prior 8:30. I think at 8:30 we have some things coming in. So we'll see. Normally, what you see is I have seven or eight. Eight. There we go. Normally, I know that there's initial sell side there, there's initial buy side there. And then after it, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna go high, take out initial buy side, FOMC buy side, but and other range and others there, right? But the most important is that here I mark seven, I come again. I know that after marking seven, it can do anything, it can displace like it did here, or it can do what? It can form relative equal highs or relative equal lows, right? This is a displacement. So I'm treating this one as a breakaway gap. And then it's also a first presented fair value gap after seven. And now I'm looking at this one as a bullish fair value gap. This one, looking at this one as a bullish fair value gap, and this one as a breakaway. So this one is a tradable fair value gap. Yes, it's tradable. So let's go. It's coming in. Can it come in a bit deeper? Let's see. Ah, next. Commodity fail. And some are already buying here. The breaker. Right there. It's being bought now here. And the stop is being put there. Wow, such sensitivity there. That's beautiful. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Nice. If we look up here, nobody. So we could draw in there. Easy trade here. Buying this one, getting out that one. Let's make that one and show how making money can be done. Okay. So we have this one as a discount fair value gap, which is gonna be bullish this time. Already touched its high and going higher, but I'm waiting to come right back in there. So what here we're seeing is smart money reversal, low risk gain 3, stage accumulation is coming in there. So that's second stage accumulation. Let's do that. So you're gonna see already it's being used its high there, can come in once more and we launch it. So this would be your trade in here and you take profit there. This is a bread and butter setup here, right? And then someone will tell you, it's at a small range. You don't know what you're talking about. But that could be your little butter, bread and butter setup. But we know that it's going above here. There's buy side, relative equal highs. We also have FOMC buy side resting there. I don't know if your mentor has this there. So waiting. Uh, time is coming. Waiting for what? 80-30. 8:30. Waiting for 8:30 to do the things. And then you're gonna go in. Okay, okay, okay. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. Let's check the other guys. Mm. Mm. Modimo, re tla ho leboha ka. Modimo, re tla ho leboha. Modimo. Also, this one giving us a nice breakaway there. Breakaway gap. And then this was a buyable for FVG. Mm. We almost overran this. But let's see. There's the high. There's the low. Stretch. Oh my God, look at how it used half of this week there. Use it there, went higher. Use it once more there. It's launching itself high. Okay. This is a daily volume imbalance, this one here that you see. This one, if I don't extend it, it's gonna disappear. And if I extend it, it's gonna come back. Right. So we're at the slow, it's lower quadrant here.
People say medical.
Wonder which one is this one? Let's check it out. Because these cars are almost the same.
One.
It's coming in nicely in there. Like, okay. Let's see if we stack them. Stack another one. Okay. That's a long. It's nice. If you have a look up in there. Boom. That's nice. Relatively equal highs there. Oh my God, let me see. Let's measure that from this high to, oh my God, 2022 model. Because it's relatively equal highs. You take them, then you measure this. If you're bullish, you measure the wave that took buy side, you measure it. And once we fall below 50%, that's a long. Yes, just said it. Just did it. Said it and did it, right? The same time. Said it and did it. So this is from here to here. That could be a take profit, and that could be enough for the day. But it's so small, so small. Nigga, press the lot size. Press that lot size. Right? Press that lot size. Let's see if it comes back in there once more. Keep adding. Literally keep adding. See, because what I'm seeing is a low, which is a smart money reversal, low risk entry, first stage accumulation. Seeing this is a second stage accumulation in the unicorn, meaning that this one should take both of these guys out. Literally. See that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna buy this low. Gonna buy that low. Okay. Go. So if you're gonna zoom in here, we can see that it won't even come in there, not at all. Right? It won't come in here. So that's very bullish. Could even if you put your fib from high there to low there, it's telling you, nah, 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 nah. I'm going higher, higher, higher. In discount below, going to discount like this. Okay. Once in there with this. So what if it comes back below these two relative equal lows? You're gonna buy them once more. Oh, yeah. Okay, and this is your suspension block. that I put right now. Okay. This is a special block here also. There. Okay. Let's gonna make it a less dominating to the eyes. There we go. There we go. So here we are looking at various things. We're looking at this being bullish. We're looking at this suspension block here. How it's failing to close in here in terms of any candlesticks. That is telling us that it's bullish. You see how all the bodies are near the high, but never close to this. So yeah, that's what we're watching. Okay, let's do this. Send this guy back. Right, right there. He's back. This front. Okay. See there? It's coming in there. Below this, we're gonna buy this. Below this. If it chooses to push a bit, we're gonna buy it. Literally. Red, 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 red. Let's go. And after it takes out this highs here, I'm gonna move the stop right there. Literally right there. Uh, After it takes out this highs here, I'm gonna move this stop there. Let's go. So, what are we doing? We waiting. Baby, we waiting. Baby, we waited. They wanna leave us, Baby, I waited. They wanna leave us, They wanna leave us, Baby, I waited, After it takes out these guys, must stop. I'm gonna roll the stop right there. Ora mira, ora no no. Okay, so it's going, guys. And all I'm doing is waiting. So let's see. So we're not selling in here. This we are watching this to actually propel price above these highs there. Okay, it's coming back in there. Nice. Okay. We go again below. Oh yeah, below those guys. Yeah, it doesn't long. Right. So when these are the three positions I'm gonna hold and see what it does. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Like to see no police actually at, below there at all. That'd be beautiful. Beautiful price action, guys. Beautiful. Let's see now the next one. This candle we're watching should start going up because clearly we don't want to go down. Yep, let's do it. There's a suspension block in blue. It's a sus B, a bullish sus B, sus B, which is bullish sus B. Call him the bullish sus B. Again, taking these highs here, I'm gonna move this stop right there. Tenjani, wenzani na chero. So it's a lot of waiting game. That's the thing about the marketplace, you know. It's not about speed, things like that. It's about patience. Speed when it's necessary. Executions and things like that. You gotta be, but not rushing into trades, you know. But executing flawlessly, that's the key. Okay, now I'm waiting. I know what we're all thinking. The stocks are falling, everything is weak. So just sell, you know. Yes, that's true. We could sell, but we were waiting for scenarios to play out, right? So let's see. And if this candlestick that you're watching, this one, you see, it came below this one. So you have, oh my God, you have one time below this one, two times below this one, three times below this one. This thing should shoot high, should start shooting higher. Yep, let's go. Ooh, that's beautiful, right? That's beautiful. Saw that coming. That's beautiful. There we go. Okay, you both know what I'm gonna do. Oh my God, you both know it. There we go. There. Confirm. Take one off. Partial. One off. Boom, boom. Partial one off. Oh my God. All right. There we go. And the stop's gonna remain there. No fear at all. Not at all, guys. So, little two partials in there. So we know that we're gonna draw in there. But we're also looking to take buy side there, right? So in terms of, we know that we could take profits right there and be done, but that's not what you're doing here. We understand that also this but initial buy side must go out there. Okay, now bullish breaker here. Also, we'd like to see this candlestick here, support price, right? We already used this sweep here. Gonna take it and put it there. And then there we go. So now we are watching how this week, this one, how price is coming into it in an immediate rebalance. So it should shoot again. Right. Okay. I know. I wish they taught this at school too. Okay. So, like I said, buying the pink and taking profit in there after it lays a full candlestick in here in form of buy side. Damn, that's beautiful. Literally beautiful. Beautiful, right? That's beautiful, guys. If it does that, that's beautiful. You're out. So this could be a small trade for you, right? If you didn't have a good model, buying something in discount, taking profit in premium, that'd be beautiful. Right, right. Immediate rebalance opens here, goes down. So that's it. It should explode. This candle should be big, or the next one, right, should go higher. If it does not do that, complex reversal. I'm saying it like that because I said he taught me like that. Okay, it should go higher. It should go. Yes. Complex. I'm just kidding, guys. This is actually nice price action. Let's say it. It's beautiful price action. Mm, 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 mm. Beautiful price action. Okay. Okay. Now we just hit this can hit just hit this wick. This candlestick's wick. It's been just hit. Let's see how that behaves. Bullishness would reject any closure below this. Yes, we will just do exactly as you see right now. Drawing in there. So buying the pink guy here, and the pink guy or the blue guy, get in there, and you know what you're doing. So the benefits of knowing everything ICT taught is that you can do things like this. After such a big move, look at this. Look at this. After such a big move, you know how to end, literally. Because some are stuck. They don't know what to do. They don't know. They don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Already took partial. I was taking partials above this. It just moved too quickly. Probably took a partial somewhere there. No stress. It's going higher. In here, you can take something off. And above here, take everything off. If you had like 5 contracts, could keep taking things off, even in there. So now it's like initial sell side down there, initial buy side up here. So we are targeting initial buy side right now. But first, we'd like to see a candlestick in there. Something's happening, a little consolidation here. Let's go. Here we go, buddy. Mm, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. No. So this could have been another entry for you if you were like, I haven't entered all. This could have. Let's go. Now we're seeking this candlestick, the current one, to be a full candlestick in here. That's what we're seeking. Okay. Then we'll take one more and put this to break even. Okay. So some are thinking inversion. Don't think that. Don't think that. They're thinking that this was an inversion. Don't think that. Even though it's an inversion and can be treated like an inversion, we just want to first see a full closure of a bullish candlestick in there, delivering to us buy side. Okay. And then if you took something off here, no problem. Because sometimes we do have inversion fair value gaps that only have wicks, but that's not high probability anyway. So let's wait this bullish candlestick to close. You can take something off here, put this to break even here. That's so systematic. Yes, it's systematic. That's true. That's a candlestick. You can do this, do that, do that, do that, do that. No, no, no. Push a one. Right. Now I'm gonna put that to break even. Right? That's fine. Okay, now just leave that, doesn't matter. In any case, you could put it somewhere there. There's a balance price range here. It's a hard area to get through. Or below here. Already, there's a balance price. You can put your stop here if you want. So it's going up like that. That's nice. So your bread and butter setup from here to there. You're done. You made money. From here to there. You made money. And then, so now I like to see this half of this daily FVG being treated as a bullish thing to go higher. Also, this fair value gap here should see bullishness, see us shoot higher, take out this high and this high. That'd be beautiful, to say the least. To say the least. Right? To say the least. To say the least. Okay. So you clearly can see that if I make this guy white, let's see. Doing What? We'll see. I'll start her. Okay. Social trades. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. So the truth. I'd like also to see. It'd be nice if it didn't even close there. Okay. Let's see how this performs here. But would like to see it hold price and push price market high. Uh, There's a parent order block here. Gonna market here. It's the parent here. Parent order block. Then propulsion block here. This one there. This one the propulsion block. So you should see market still hold price. Still go higher basically. Okay, monthly that. Therefore, should hold price. Yeah. Nice behavior here. We're looking at this propulsion block here. Because as you can see, the mother, the parent order block is there, Polish order block there. So it's being reclaimed there with these two. So these two should send price high like this. So let's see, but it should see higher prices. And there's an immediate rebalance here. So it's gonna explode because this goes down. Should explode doesn't, the next one should does the same thing, should explode doesn't. So it should explode soon. This volatility contraction here. So it should explode. All bodies within the one candlestick here should explode. Should explode soon. Let's see. Should explode though. Okay. Okay. Now we're hitting the high of that fair value gap there. Oh, there's new 19. So we have these two while buying, let's see, buying down there. We had these two also. This was the draw, but we knew that this two is acting, giving this draw power, like something like that. Okay. Nah, nah. No, yeah. Okay. Now we have this there. Let's see. This is nicely used there. You zoom in. Let's see. I'll tell you that it's gonna explode and it just did that, right? Because it was contracting in here. So it had to explode. There we go. Okay. Let's follow imbalance in the high of this. Bullish fair value gap, which was bearish, then bullish, like in my eyes. Let's see. Yes, yeah. Okay. This- If you talk about trading in the range, you're still within the range. The range, which range? Initial sell side after 7 and initial buy side that I showed you on this video. So let's see. Okay, still in there. Mm, mm, mm. So that bullish order block, population block, being hit once more. See.
Amachani. Uzandile umboni, ukhulume ngani? Athi yena ekhaba ukuphi? Utshela abantu be-TV yakhe ekhaba sedon park.
Hey guys, let's see.